Chào cả nhà, hello guys. I am Nina Tranley. Welcome to So Sim Yum Kitchen. This is where I prepare food that touches my family soul. It's simple to make and yummy to eat. Today I am sharing Big Brother Cường recipe called Sweet and Sour Pickled Vegetables. I often make a big batch, double this recipe, of these amazing pickled veggies so we can have vegetables to eat for the winter months in Wisconsin. Due to the COVID-19 lockdown, I am making another big batch so my family can have vegetables to eat for the next few months. Please join me in the kitchen so we can prepare this yummy meal together. Shall we get started? To make Vietnamese sweet and sour pickled vegetable, we will need 2 pounds of cabbage, 1 pound of cauliflower, 2 pounds of cucumber, 1 pound of carrot, and about 6 jalapenos. Usually, I also have green papaya and Korean radish, but not today because of the quarantine, so I will be using whatever vegetable available in my fridge. For flavors, we will need 2 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of distilled white vinegar, half tablespoon of salt, and 8 cups of filtered water. For cabbage, we need to discard a few of their outer leaves. Cut cabbage into bite size about 1 inch by 2 inches. Make sure to separate the layers like this. For cauliflowers, we need to discard all the blackheads. Cut cauliflower into bite size as well. For cucumber, we need to discard the 2 ends and cut the cucumber into half lengthwise. We will use a small spoon to scrape and remove the seeds. After that, we will wash them very carefully. We need to slice the cucumbers into about 1/4 inch thick. I like to use the Japanese mandolin for this task because it is super fast and all the pieces are uniform. First, I set the size to the thickest of this slicer. I always start out fast and slow down once I have reached the middle. I never ever slide all the way to the end of the vegetable to avoid injury. For carrots, I normally discard the 2 ends and remove the skin. After I give them a quick rinse, I use the Japanese mandolin to slice the carrot into about 1/8 inch thick. As for the jalapenos, I first slice them into 1/2 inch thick. After that, I wash them so the water can wash away some of the seeds. Alright, let's go wash the cabbage, the cauliflower, and the jalapenos. After washing all the vegetables, we need to use the salad spinner to get rid of all the excess water. Allow the vegetable to air dry in the colanders for about 30 minutes. Without the salad spinner, please allow the vegetables to air dry in a few colanders for at least 1 hour. This step is important to make the vegetables crunchy. We will need a big bowl about 5 inches by 15 inches big and 2 cups of sugar. Since cauliflowers are the hardest to string vegetables, they will go in first. Always make a thin, one single layer at the time. If all cauliflowers can go into the bowl in one single layer, then sprinkle about 4 tablespoons of sugar evenly over them like this. The next vegetables are usually for green papaya and Korean radish, but today I don't have them, so carrots are the next in line. I divided carrots into 2 layers and I will sprinkle about 3 tablespoons of sugar evenly over each layer of carrots. Since I have quite a lot of cabbage, I will divide them into 4 layers. I will sprinkle about 3 tablespoons of sugar evenly over each layer of cabbage. As for cucumber, I will divide them into 2 layers, and each layer will have about 4 tablespoons of sugar. The rest of the sugar will be sprinkled evenly over the jalapeno. Once done, cover the bowl with plastic food wrap. Allow the vegetable to be soaked in sugar for at least 8 hours or overnight. Sugar will extract juice from the vegetable, making them shrink in size and become crunchy. Notice how the vegetables are now at the top of the bowl. After about 8 hours, they will shrink quite a bit. Check this out. The vegetables have shrunk quite a bit, as if we have lost about 1/4 of the vegetables. Guys, check out this juice. This juice has been extracted from the vegetable by the sugar. Now let's have a crunch test.
Crunchy.
After we mix the vegetable up for a nice mixture of color combination, we will add 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 1.5 cup of vinegar. Give them a good mix and allow this mixture to rest for about 2 hours at room temperature. Now we will add about 8 cups of filtered water. Please make sure the water is about a few inches above the vegetables. Give them a good mix. This is when we can taste and adjust by adding sugar, salt, or vinegar according to your family taste. Transfer the vegetables into glass containers. This recipe will make one tall and one short glass jar like this too. Store sweet and sour pickled vegetables in the refrigerator and enjoy them for 3 to 4 months.
Okay, let's have a taste. Giờ ăn đến rồi cả nhà ơi. Yum. So crunchy.
My family normally pair sweet and sour pickled vegetables with also for dishes like salt and pepper fried fish, caramelized shrimp, braised pork belly, and many other BBQ meats. I love to munch on this as a salad too. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Ring the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and happy cooking for your loved one. See you guys next time. Chào cả nhà nha.